Old Tom Gray here. Quick how-to here on how to change a chuck on an old Milwaukee drill. This is my old Model 1000 D handle, and this chuck is just shot. It won't hold torque anymore. It's constantly coming loose, so I'm going to replace it with a state-of-the-art all-steel keyless chuck from a cordless drill. So step one to take this off is open the chuck all the way, and there's wrench flats on the back of the chuck on the output of the motor shaft, 11/16. So get a skinny wrench, very skinny. Pick up those wrench flats and a 3/16 hex key, and there's a lock screw in there. So find the lock screw, and it's a left-hand thread lock screw, so righty-loosey. Break that loose. Looks like that. Then get a good-sized hex key, bigger is better, and chuck it up in the jaws. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and close it down with the motor. Get it good and tight. Okay, and then get your wrench back on the wrench flats. Okay, now the chuck is screwed on to the motor output shaft with a right hand thread, so lefty-loosey. So get a persuader, I'm just using my old Garland, and give it a whack. And it just spins right off. Then get your new chuck, and I add in a little spacer. This is a 1/2-inch aluminum washer, something soft, can even be plastic, behind the chuck. It makes it a lot easier to get it off later and a lot easier to get the wrench on. And then chuck on your new, or screw on your new chuck. Snug it down, and then install its lock screw. But this lock screw on this chuck is different. It has a countersunk head and a different hex size. It is 5/32s. And install your lock screw. Again, it's righty loosey, lefty tighty. So left hand thread, tighten it up, and there you go. All right, let's see how she works. There's a drill into the new chuck with it. Oh, that feels better. Nice dirty piece of plywood. Wow, that's gonna make life a lot easier. Okay, there you go. Well, on to the next project. I will see you there and then.